After declaring the SSC results, now the Maharashtra board will start the 11th standard admission 2021 soon. This year, the state government will offer admission to class 11th on the basis of a common entrance test (CET). The exam is expected to be held in August. However, the exact date and timetable are yet to be announced. The application forms are expected to be released by July 19, which is today, at the official website. This year, the Maharashtra board students will not have to pay any fee for the college admission forms, considering they have paid board exam fee, and since board exams were not held, they will not be charged the 11th application fee. Usually, the 11th admissions are granted on the basis of SSC results. However, the state government has taken the decision to conduct CET for 11th admission 2021 as the SSC exams has been cancelled this year. The registration for CET 11th is expected to begin in the third week of July. Maharashtra 11th CET 2021 exam schemes and schedules. The 11th CET 2021 exam will be an objective type paper. The questions will be asked from English, mathematics, science and social science based on the class 10 syllabus. Each section will be of 25 marks and the total marks will be 100. The exam duration will be of 2 hours. The exam will be conducted in offline mode and the students will be given an OMR sheet to mark their answers. The CET is only an optional exam for the 11th admission. However, those who will appear in the CET would be given priority in admission. Students who do not wish to appear for CET will get admission based on the merits of their secondary school certificate SSC result. As per the official statement, 11th admission will be conducted in 2 phases. Admission in the first phase will be given to students qualifying CET, and the second phase admission will be conducted for students who have not appeared for the CET.